Good day, it's Rowena List from GettingItTogether.ca. Not trusting people may be causing you to lose out on valuable, healthy relationships. Let's just take a look at how you can build some trust within people. First of all, you need to have great boundaries. You yourself need to know what is right for you and what isn't right for you. And you need to know that the other person will adhere to your boundaries and also set good, clear boundaries themselves. You need to be reliable, and you also need to know that the other person is reliable, that they are a person of their word. And are you a person of your word? This helps to build trust within relationships. Accountability. Take responsibility for your actions and also know that the other person takes responsibility for theirs. Confidentiality, or having it in the vault. This is important when building healthy, trustworthy relationships. You know that when you say something to the other person that they are going to keep your confidence and keep it in the vault if you ask them to, and that you will also do the same. Coming from a place of integrity, knowing that you can be trusted and that you are trusting the other person. They're proving that by their actions and also by their words. To be non-judgmental. Oh, this can be a tough one sometimes, but it's important when building trust to not cast judgment, and to also know that the people that you are around, that you love and trust and respect, are also not casting judgment. Being non-judgmental, so very important. Generosity. Being generous with your time, your talents, and any way that you can be generous. Giving of yourself, of your true feelings. These, I hope you will find helpful as key elements in building trust. Setting boundaries, being reliable, having accountability, keeping things in the vault, having lots of integrity, being non-judgmental, and always being generous, not to a fault, but just being kind and generous. If you need help with some of these aspects, or maybe you're struggling with building some trust, we can do some coaching sessions together. Check out GettingItTogether.ca for all of the services and to book a free discovery session so that you can find out more about how we at GettingItTogether.ca can help you.